Hi guys, here's all my blushes as of April 4th, 2026. It's around 32. It consists of creams, liquids, and powders. So let's watch them. Let's start with creams and liquid. First is Orgasm, Behave, another Orgasm in old packaging. Magkaiba pala yung color nila, yung wand and then yung pump, which is ngayon ko lang napansin. This is Swing. Favorite color ko to. Rare Beauty in Happy, Rare Beauty in Encourage, Vice Cosmetics in Always Sweet, Choo Choo Beauty in Baby Doll, Choo Choo in Pink Bunny, Choo Choo in Peony Haze, Get Ready With Me in Petite, Get Ready With Me in Gummy Bear, Strokes in Delicate, another favorite, Lucky Beauty in Softy, Easy in Kawaii, Easy in Milkshake, Cloud Beauty in Joy Bloom, AOU in Lavender Cheeks, Say Dew Blush in Baby, and my most recently acquired Patricta in Just Enough. Let's go with my powder blushes. MAC in Flower Power, Choo Choo Beauty in Chiffon Dream, Can Make in PW39, Can Make in PW20, Squad in Pie, Squad in Petal, Dior 001 Pink. Hindi lang siya kita sa swatch, but when you put it sa cheeks, makikita mo siya na it's a very cool tone pink na medyo lilac na. Clinique in Pansy Pop, Say in Bella, NARS in Fantasy, NARS in Impassioned, Cezanne in 03. So, ang mga hindi lang nasama sa mga swatches are these palettes. I'll just make a separate video about each palette. Tell me which one here is your favorite. Bye-bye!